Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to another video. Today we will talk about some other linking words. These are related to cause and effect. When you link the ideas, you need some linking words. Here are some: because, since, as, therefore, thus. So let's talk about because first. When you answer a why question, then you use because. For example, somebody asks you, why do you live here? So you say, I live here because my family is here. So I live here because of my family. So here is an example. I stayed home, मैं घर पर रहा, because I was sick. So here is a reason. So it is answering why question. A similar linking word is therefore. If you change the place of these two sentences, for example, I was sick, you keep it in the start, I was sick, therefore I stayed home. मैं बीमार था इसलिए मैं घर पर रहा. So because and therefore they are used interchangeably. So you have got the idea how to use them. So since you use since in perfect continuous tenses. For example, I have been teaching English since 2012. So since is connecting the time here, but you can also use it in the start. For example, since my childhood, I have never seen anyone flying in the air. For example, since it's late, telling the reason. वजह यह है कि late है, we should go. Since it's late or since it's getting late, we should go. So it tells you the reason. Okay, here it tells you the reason. Since I am busy, we should stop working on that. मैं चूँकि बिज़ी हूँ इसलिए हमें इस पे काम करना बस कर देना चाहिए. As it was raining, we cancelled the trip. चूँकि बारिश हो रही थी इसलिए कैंसिल कर दिया ट्रिप. So as is also used to make a cause and effect relation. So thus, the road was blocked, thus we took another route. So here is again the reason. वजह ये थी रास्ता बदलने की कि रोड ब्लॉक था. The road was blocked by some protesters, so therefore we took another route. Thus we took another route. Let's move forward. So here are some other linking words. Hence, so, as a result, due to, consequently, owing to. So let's talk about hence. He didn't study, hence he failed. पढ़ाई नहीं तो fail हो गया. So creating a cause and effect relation. So, talking about so, she was hungry, so we ate something. वो भूखी थी इसलिए कुछ हमने उसने खाया. She was hungry, so she ate something. I was busy, so I didn't reply you. I was at home, so I didn't see outside the window what is going on. I was working somewhere, so I didn't see anything. So as a result, he played all the day. As a result, he got tired. सारा दिन खेला उसने, फिर नतीजा क्या निकला, थक गया. Let's see this example. He didn't pay attention. तवज्जो नहीं दी उसने पढ़ाई की तरफ. As a result, फिर नतीजा क्या निकला? He failed the test. Test में fail हो गया. So let's talk about the next one, due to. Again, telling the reason. The flight was delayed due to fog. Fog की वजह से delay हो गई है flight. हो गई थी past में. आप यूज़ करते हैं इसी तरह application में. For example, due to my sickness, I will not be able to attend the classes. अपनी sickness की वजह से, बीमारी की वजह से मैं क्लासेस अटेंड करने के काबिल नहीं होगा. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कॉन्सिक्वेंटली. ये भी नतीजा ही शो करता है. शी मिस्ड द बस, उसका नतीजा क्या निकला? कॉन्सिक्वेंटली शी वॉज लेट. लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ मिसिंग द बस शी गॉट लेट. ओइंग टू हिज हार्ड वर्क ही सक्सीडेड. अगेन उसने जो मेहनत की है उसकी वजह से वो उसने कामयाबी भी हासिल की है, पास कर लिया उसने. सो ऑल द वर्ड्स, ऑल दीज लिंकिंग वर्ड्स यू सी आर क्रिएटिंग अ कॉज एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. Okay, here are the linking words. I have shared all. There is no left. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you like it, please share with your friends and try to make some examples on all these linking words. I'm sharing them in the description and also giving the same examples there. You are supposed to choose any of them and write a comment, and I'll try to see how you beautifully write. Thank you. Take care. Bye.